Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can use Turbo on your Yubo. To do so, first of all, open up your Yubo app and log into your account. Here I've already logged into my account. From here, just go into your profile right here on the top right side of your screen. And after going on to your profile, you can see a option for Turbo, Boost and Spotlight right below. If you just click on Turbos, from here, you'll be able to see that all the options pop up. Go to settings, and here you will also see a turbo mode. If you click on turbo mode, it will take you to different kind of page where now you are able to subscribe to get the actual turbo mode. And that is how you can use turbo mode on your Yubo. You need subscription for that. I hope you guys find our video helpful. This was for this video, and I hope you guys see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. See you guys next time.